Hello guys, welcome to this.tv. Today I am going to show you how can you build your desktop PC within 5000 rupees. Here we have new Raspberry Pi 4 Model B of 4GB RAM. Now there are a lot of variants available in the market. There are 1, 2, 4 as well as 8GB of RAM available. Now 8GB is not yet released in India as of now, but later it can be released. So this is the latest model of Raspberry Pi 4 4GB RAM variant. This board has a lot of features, so let us look at one by one. The whole board runs on 5V power, so it has USB Type-C port, 2 micro HDMI ports which can deliver 4K content up to 30 frames per second, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It also has 4 USB ports, 2 are of USB 2.2 and the other 2 are of USB 3.0 and an Ethernet port. You can also connect a LCD display here as well as a camera here. This is the ARM based CPU which is 64-bit, and this is the Ethernet IC. This is the 4GB RAM. These two get very hot, so I have attached the heat sinks. It also has GPIO pins which can be used to control small electronic components such as LEDs, relays, etc. This is a credit card sized mini computer, as you can see. You can also buy some cases for your Raspberry Pi like this one. It has a fan which prevents heating of your Pi. This one fits perfectly. If you are interested to buy this case, you can buy it from Amazon. The link will be in the description. The whole operating system runs on a micro SD card which can be inserted here. I am using a 16GB micro SD card. I will be installing the Ubuntu OS onto this. Now I am going to show you how to install the operating system onto the SD card. So let's head on to my Windows PC. So guys, I am on my desktop right now. The first thing you need to do is to download the Raspberry Pi Imager. You can download Raspberry Pi Imager by going on to this link. I will put up this link in the description. You can download it from there. You can download it for Windows, Mac OS as well as for Ubuntu. Now before opening this Raspberry Pi Imager, you need to insert micro SD card into your PC. I would recommend using micro SD card above 8GB. I am using 16GB micro SD card. So go ahead and open this Raspberry Pi Imager. Choose the operating system you want to install. You can choose anything, but I am going to install Ubuntu, choosing the latest Ubuntu 20.04 for 64-bit. Choose your SD card and click on write. I have already written the OS onto the SD card. This process would take up to 20 to 30 minutes depending on your PC, so be patient. After everything is finished up, you can remove the SD card from your PC and insert it into your Raspberry Pi and boot up from there. I am going to show you the boot up process of the Raspberry Pi. This is my desktop setup. So let's wait till it gets booted up. So it is started. This is Ubuntu made. There are several versions of Ubuntu. I personally like this one. So it is loading. It is asking for the password. So let's enter the password. So there we go. This is Ubuntu home screen. I am currently using wireless keyboard and mouse. Now I will be showing you the performance of this operating system. So this is my home screen. Let's open Firefox browser. So as you can see, it is quite fast. It is just booted up, but still it opened Firefox browser quite faster. Let's go to our channel. Let's search for this.tv. This is our channel. The default clock speed will be 1.5 GHz. I have overclocked it to 1.75 GHz. Now you can overclock up to 2 GHz, but I would not recommend going above 2 GHz as it would destroy your Pi. I have been using this operating system at 1.75 GHz for a month now. I didn't have any problem till now. This is my system information. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching this.tv.